I'm reading this prayer today to mark Florence Nightingale's 200th birthday and to recognise her legacy and her contribution in the founding of the Queen's Nursing Institutes across the UK. It was written in 1996 by Deva-Marie Beck for the United Nations Habitat Conference in Istanbul, Turkey, where Florence Nightingale's work began. And it remains keenly relevant to our time and for our current challenges. Today, our world needs healing and to be rekindled with love. Once, Florence Nightingale lit her beacon of lamplight to comfort the wounded. Her light has blazed a path of service across a century to us. Through her example and through the countless nurses and healers who followed in her footsteps. Today, we celebrate the flame of Florence Nightingale's legacy. Let that same light be rekindled to burn brightly in our hearts. Let us take up our own lanterns of caring, each in our own ways, to more brightly walk our own paths of service to the world, to more clearly share our own noble purpose with each other. May human caring become the lantern for the 21st century. May we better learn to care for ourselves, for each other, and for all creation. Through our caring, may we be the keepers of that flame, that our spirits may burn brightly to kindle the hearts of our children and great-grandchildren, as they too follow